Up mga brodies? How's everyone doing today? Papatune tayo ng ating suspension. And then, we'll probably get coffee, some breakfast. Pero right now, kailangan natin magpagas. Pagas tayo ngayon mga brodies. Let's go! So mga brodies, dito tayo sa gas station ngayon. Pro tip natin parang pagas. Bibilang natin lahat. 1, 2, 4, 5. Morning po. Thank you, boss. Sige boss, 5 litro. 95 octane please. So yan mga brodies, pro tip ko para sa inyo when filling up gas sa Vespa ninyo is kung ilan yung number of bars na missing. Tulad kanina, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars. So lalagyan natin of gasoline para hindi bumulwak. Alright, tapos na tayo magpagas ngayon. Tapos na, punta na tayo kila Don. So this will be my first time to try their branch in Blumentritt. I heard that it's yung bago nilang branch eh. Kasi nung nagpalit ako ng suspension ng Vespa na to, pinatune ko to sa kanila eh, pero sa Caloocan branch nila. And I have to say, yung service nila, spot on, as in. So, for those who are not familiar with AV Moto Tuning, so yung shop nila, they cater to suspension tuning for motorcycles. So, kapag pumunta ka sa kanila, you set an appointment, which I highly recommend. And then, pagdating nyo doon, they'll welcome you. Parang pumunta ng kasa sa auto. Tapos, they'll profile you, get your basic information, jot down some notes about yung preferences ninyo sa suspension tuning, what you use the motorcycle for, the purpose of yung tuning, and yeah. So they can also install the suspension on your motorcycle, and yeah, they'll tune it for you. Not bad. And price is actually super not bad din eh. If I recall well, when I had my suspension mounted, I think they charged me 1,000 pesos na libor for this Vespa. Yeah, 1,000 pesos libor, tapos 1,500 pesos the tuning. Grabe. After that, ramdam mo talaga na solid. But sa Vespa naman din, to be fair naman, when you're making suspension upgrades, anything is better than stock. All this talk about tuning your suspension, di ba? So, if I could give my unsolicited take on this, I'll give you my top 3 reasons why you would want to do so. Okay? Alright, let's begin with the first one. So, reason number 1 why you would want to tune your suspension. Okay? So, I'm pretty sure everyone has experienced yung nalulubakan tayo, na-shoot tayo sa pothole, tapos nayanig tayo or narattle tayo. This is your suspension working against you. So, kapag chinun natin ang suspension natin, it softened yung blow that you receive from sa lubak na yon, di ba? Let me give you my second reason why you would want to tune your suspension. Better handling, tsaka confidence when we take a curve or we attack a curve or pagliko natin, di ba? I'm pretty sure everyone has experienced yung biglang liko ng isang tricycle driver or kuliglig or pedicab kasi nakalimutan nila na meron silang side mirrors. So, with better handling din, you guys have like better confidence sa pag-ride And syempre hindi naman tayo kagalingan mag-ride Sakto lang. So, might as well tune na rin natin yung suspension natin para mas maging kampante tayo sa daan, di ba? Lastly, syempre, para maprotektahan natin yung motor natin at ang sarili natin. Kasi with the well-tuned suspension, we protect all of those wear and tear parts, yung mga mountings natin sa suspension, yung likod natin, napoprotektahan din natin. Kasi syempre, pag natatagtagan tayo, di ba? It's kind of bad for our spine. Tires din, di ba? Para may mas even wear tayo sa tires natin. O, di ba, maingat tayo tumawid. Mas kamote content. So, yeah. Basically, those are my 3 reasons why you ought to tune your suspension. And again, take this with a grain of salt, okay? Hindi ko kayo dinidiktahan. Right. So, balik tayo sa biyahe.
A few moments later.
Ito ngayon tayo sa EV Moto Tuning sa Blumentritt branch nila. And, kamote, masyado tayo maaga. So, harap tayo ng pwedeng magbilan ng kape. Anyway, naka-appointment naman tayo, so I'm pretty sure tayo pinaka. So, kape muna tayo, brodies. Kape-kape muna tayo. Napaaga pala tayo. Sa bagay, maaga nga tayo umalis. Talagang di talaga tayo matatraffic. Diba nga? Right now, we'll go to a favorite classic Zeus Coffee. Let's go! Mga brodies, anong favorite drink niyo sa Zeus Coffee? Like, for me, Spanish latte yung favorite ko sa kanila. And lagi siya kinukuha sa parang yung boss brew nila, yung boss beans ba? Zeus Coffee. Baka naman. No. Kapit tayo kasi kailangan natin yan para makapag-function na maayos. Kasi ako yung tipong tao na kapag hindi nakakapagkape sa umaga, or actually sa isang araw, notok ako na matindi niyan. Kaya kailangan natin ng kape. Yeah. UST. Good memories. Anyway, di na tayo sa Zeus Coffee ngayon. Let's go.
2,000 years later.
Gamit shoot natin dito. Kuya! Kuya! Yeah, thank you. Yung cookie, nakain mo na? Alright, sige. Ingat. Turn natin yung paper, di ba? Bigyan natin ng konting something. Sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, di ba? 10 minutes daw, bago tayo makarating kila doon. Perfect. Alright. Let's go! So maganda pagdating natin doon, bago mag alas 8, swaps. Tayo ang pinakauna. Diba talaga pag nakakape tayo, no? Feel pumped, feel energized, ready to take on the day. Let's go! Alright, mga brodies, nandito na natin doon. First customer, let's go. Boss, good morning po. Ako po yung naka-schedule for 8 AM.
Sige po.
Opo.
Ano pong ipapagawa po?
Tuning ng suspension. Nakapagpagawa na kasi ako before nung February.
Opo.
Tapos gusto ko siya i-retune kasi parang medyo matalbog na. Tsaka para sa track day sa October.
Sige po.
Para makabakbak tayo na maayos na.
Tara sir,
Sige. Thank you, brother. Pakala mo, bro?
friends po.
Dave, brother. Alright.
Sir, may helmet rock po tayo dito sir.
Thank you po. Diba? May helmet rock. Let's go. Patay ka na mga brodies ha. Sikasuin mo na itong papagawa natin sa motor.
Few moments later.
Alright. Thank you, bro.
Salamat po. Ingat po kayo sir.
Alright.
One eternity later.
Thank you, thank you. Babalik din naman ako. Kung nakuha ko na yung pang-adjust. Alright. Natapos din tayo. Bigyan pa nila ako ng discount. So nice. Guys, mga brodies, punta kayo dito sa EV Moto Tuning. All fairness talaga. I'm a paying customer by the way. And grabe, ganda ng service nila. Alam niyo mga brodies, ang nakakatuwa sa mga shops na ganito, they really take care of their clients kasi yun mo, in-uninstall nila yung shocks ko and ni-remount nila. They didn't charge me, although syempre nabutang. Delikadesa ba? Grabe, nakakatuwa. Don, thank you so much for accommodating me. Renz, EV Moto Tuning, thank you so much. Really appreciate it. Right. So mga brodies, tayo ngayon ay uuwi. Maliligo. Meron tayong mga ibang errands na kailangan asikasuhin for today. Sorry, medyo hirap ako magsalita ngayon kasi kailangan ko magsuot ng retainers eh. Medyo dorky tayo for today, pero all well and good. Yes. So, yeah, again, if you like these kinds of videos, kindly hit like, kindly hit subscribe, leave a comment. Good vibes lang tayo dito. And yeah, again, thank you so much. This is Brody signing off for today. See you on the next video. Peace.